It's really part of the cityscape here. It symbolises God's presence in the city here for over 800 years. It's the third building, we reckon, on this particular site here. But as well as that, it is a building of great historic significance and importance. And given that, it attracts a huge footfall of visitors every year. Last year, it was almost 630,000 people. The re-roofing or replacing of the higher roofs of the cathedral here is singularly the largest building project since the Guinness Restoration, and that was back in the early 1860s. What has happened is that there is a very large element of nail sickness. In other words, the nails holding the slates in situ have either corroded or have disappeared altogether. And while over the years, in terms of maintenance, slates have been replaced, the entire roof does now need to be replaced because it's been really over 150 years since it was on. So there are a few other problems as well associated with that, but that's the main worry about nail sickness. So it does need to be replaced. That is really why we are having the appeal, the sponsor a slate in 3 different ways: bronze, silver and gold. And the bronze amount is up to €50, the silver €250 and the gold €1,000 or beyond. Every amount counts, no matter how small, they all add up. And we're very grateful to the individuals. There have been many individuals who have been very kind to us in giving amounts, and some individuals who have given major amounts as well, and we're very grateful for all of that. We're going to keep a very careful monitor of all the donations which we receive, and it may very well be that when people are sponsoring a slate or slates, that they will want to do it perhaps in memory of a loved one. And if they do and they give us the details, we will be able to record all that and keep it in a book here in the cathedral. It also stands for the amount of work that is being done in God's name here in terms of reconciliation here in the city, of working with people, of bringing groups together, helping to create greater understanding and a sense of community in terms of development and how a community manages itself. So we're very grateful for all of that.